This is soda siphon. Sometimes after 2 or 3 years use the soda siphon, and the water will come out from here, the gas part area. So how can we change the silicone and then it will not leak again? Simply we can use scissors like this. You can see the inner circle ring there, and use the scissors like this. Put it there like this, and then just turn it around like this. If you have better tools, that would be great. Turn around like this, and then you can remove out the old silicone and replace a new one, and the water will not come out from this part again. See here, this is the silicone. The silicone after several years you will getting old, so it will become leakage. So we change this part and then put it back again. Very easy. I remove already every assembly band. Change a new one, just like assembly band. We pretend the silicone is a new one, so just screw tight. And then use the scissors again, turn it inside. That's perfectly. No leaking.